supposed to leave a little earlier, but I was just making sure and confirming with the seller that they were legit. Wanted to make sure before I did a 4-hour drive that I was going somewhere where I felt safe. Being that my husband's not here, it's just me and Zoe. She's back there. But he is at work and not able to come with me, so that's the reason why I just came out, just because, you know, it was a really good deal and I did not want to miss out on it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what this new equipment is, then please keep watching. So we already picked up the equipment. Now we're in like a little shop here. Looks pretty dead for a Saturday, but we're trying to get something to eat and then we'll be heading back home. We're in Duck Donuts. Very nice. Hola. That's Zoe. So we already picked the equipment up. We came to have, I guess, a late lunch. Very late lunch. But we stopped at a place that was here called Duck Donuts. Oh my gosh. They have one also in North Carolina down by the beach. But last time we tried going there, because we've heard about this place, it was actually closed, but we actually got to order some today here. Oh my gosh, my favorite one so far is the bacon in the sun. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Like, I've had a bacon donut before near where we live, which is really good too, but this is like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. Zoe is eating the, what is it, the Oreo cookies and cream. It's called cookies and cream. And she says that's pretty good. I haven't tried that one, but I don't want to change my taste right now. But yeah, just wanted to point that out, that we did that. And now we're about to drive back home, 4 hours away. So right now we're in Virginia. This is how far out I came to get this equipment. And now we're gonna head back home. So I will be back when we are on the way closer to home. So yesterday when I got back from Virginia from picking up the equipment that I said I was getting, it got really late, so I was super tired from all the driving, and I didn't get to film revealing what it is. So I know I didn't reveal last night what equipment I picked up, but we got a new baby. You guys want to see the new baby? And here it is. So I got the Hotronix Fusion IQ. This is the 16 by 20 pull out. It's not the auto open heat press, but it's just clamshell or swing away. You could do either or. Super excited. I actually found this deal on Facebook Marketplace. I did have to drive 4 hours to get it, but I believe it was totally worth it. This usually goes for about $2,500 on Stahl's website, and pretty much any other website where you can buy heat presses. That's pretty much the basic price that it goes for. But I actually got this plus 2 platens. This platen right here is for sleeves, and this right here, it's pretty heavy, can't even lift it up. This is actually a koozie platen, but the lady told me that she's actually done like dog collars on here. You can just pretty much mess around with it and do other things. So pretty interesting. Got a super deal because for the 1600, it included the heat press, this platen, which goes for about 300 on the same website, and this right here is about 150. So if you tally that all up, it's over $3,000, and I got it for 1600. So I thought that was an awesome deal. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the heat press where we actually set it up. So I got this table actually from Facebook Marketplace. It was actually someone giving it away for free, so I ended up not having to pay for it. So just finished using it. I was just pressing some shirts that I needed to get out as soon as possible because they were priority express and priority, so I wanted to get those done real quick. Right now I'm actually going to package those up, and then I'll be running to the post office to drop them off, and then I'll be back to print the rest of the shirts that I have. I'll show you right now, but I did want to show you guys how the sunroom looks now. So I have right there, that is the StarCraft. That was my first heat press. Second one right there is the Auto Open Heat Press Nation HBN series, 16 by 20. That one right there is like a 15 by 15, not sure. And then this is the new one. So that is the 16 by 20. It's not Auto Open, but it is the Hatronics Fusion IQ. Alright guys, so that pile you see right there, those are the ones I have to mail out right now, which are Priority and Priority Express, and then I will be back to complete the rest of these right here. So that is going to be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not a current subscriber, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I will see you guys in my next one.